feeder. It is AI and it's intelligent. It is so cool because you can watch birds of all kinds. You can attract so many with this bird feeder, but you can watch it from your phone. So it's really cool. All the kids have gotten into it. My baby absolutely loves it. That's her newest thing, is watching birds in the backyard. We get so many different kinds, and this just has made it so much more exciting. So it's solar powered, and it comes with a 4K video. It has 150 wide type of lens to it, and it's super easy to put together. You put the bird feed in here, and they can rest on here and on here to come and enjoy. You could even put nectar in here, fruits on top of this little prong right here. So it comes with so many cool features, super easy to put together. It takes just a couple of minutes, and it comes with a few other things. So you can fasten it to trees or even hook it up to your house or any other place. Like it comes with this. So this is how you're going to connect it to the tree, but also if you wanted to install in some type of board or something else. It comes with all the hardware that you will need as well. So you have the screws and everything for the wood pieces. And then this is the connector for the bottom to connect this. We're going to put it together. It comes with a strap as well. So I'll show you guys that in just a moment. But I highly recommend getting one of these. It has an antenna. You just connect it to your Wi-Fi. Use the solar power battery. You can install it with the charging battery right here, but the solar power just works fine for where I'm at. It's bright and sunny, and this has been awesome. Highly recommend. So it's totally safe to keep outside because it's waterproof. But to get started, you're going to go ahead and scan this to open up a website to download this mobile app, and you're going to register the product. It's going to connect. So this is my current backyard right now. It is loading. I'm in the house, so it's just running off Wi-Fi. As you can see, it tells you the charge. The sun is hitting on the solar panel, which is really nice. So it is charging by itself. But you can do all kinds of things. So you can insert SD card. I use the cloud space, which is really simple to do and set up, but you can capture photos, you can talk through it, you can set up recordings, alerts, and lights. So it does night vision and daylight. So obviously it's daytime where we're at, so hopefully we get some action here soon. But you can also set up greetings and alarms. So there's different little alarms that you can set up that tells you when to alert you. It talks through the device, so there's preset ones, which is really cool. Bells. There's, no barking, hello, welcome, do not touch, danger, and howling, and things of that nature, which is really fun and cool. But I highly recommend it. It's so fun. There's so much to do, and my family enjoys watching. It's super exciting.
Comment, share, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for your support.